Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, welcome back to R.H. Educational channel once again. Dear viewers, do you know how to say time in Arabic? Do you know how to say hour in Arabic? Do you know how to say minute in Arabic? Do you know how to say second in Arabic? If you don't know, you are kindly requested to see this video up to end. Dear viewers, as you know that time is very important in human life. So time is running out and it is your responsibility to use your spare time in learning new languages, especially Arabic language, because Arabic language is a very beautiful language. So today I will teach you how to use timing words in Arabic language. So let's begin. Now see types of timing words. See time. For time we use in Arabic al-waqt. Al-waqt means time. Now see hour. For hour we use in Arabic sa'a. Sa'a means hour. Now see minute. For minute we use in Arabic daqiqa. Daqiqa means minute. Now see second. For second we use in Arabic thaniya. Thaniya means second. Now see now. For now we use in Arabic al-an. Al-an means now. Now see then. For then we use in Arabic thumma. Thumma means then. Now see later. For later we use in Arabic fima ba'd. Fima ba'd means later. Now see today. For today we use in Arabic al-yawm. Al-yawm means today. Yesterday. For yesterday we use in Arabic ams. Ams means yesterday. Now see tomorrow. For tomorrow we use in Arabic ghadan. Ghadan means tomorrow. Now see tonight. For tonight we use in Arabic hadhihi layla. Hadhihi layla means tonight. Now see last night. For last night we use in Arabic laylatul bariha. Laylatul bariha means last night. Now see this week. For this week we use in Arabic hadha al-usbu'. Hadha al-usbu' means this week. Next week. For next week we use in Arabic al-usbu'ul qadim. Al-usbu'ul qadim means next week. Now see ago. For ago we use in Arabic mundu. Mundu means ago. Now see still. For still we use in Arabic la yazalu. La yazalu means still. Now see right now. Right now we use in Arabic fil waqt al-hali. Fil waqt al-hali means right now. Now see this morning. For this morning we use in Arabic hada sabah. Hada sabah means this morning. Now see last morning. For last morning we use in Arabic as-sabahul madi. As-sabahul madi means last morning. Now see yet. For yet we use in Arabic hatta al-an. Hatta al-an means yet. Now see already. For already we use in Arabic sabiqan. Sabiqan means already. Now see recently. For recently we use in Arabic haliyan. Haliyan means recently. Now see lately. For lately we use in Arabic muakhiran. Muakhiran means lately. Soon. For soon we use in Arabic qariban. Qariban means soon. Now see immediately. For immediately we use in Arabic fawran. Fawran means immediately. So this is enough for today. I hope you understood very well timing words in Arabic language through this video. So see you again with a new topic in next class inshallah. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.